Dashington Snide here, representative of Poisonapplehair. Now, today, we're going to be showing you how to do some pin curls, which is basically a way of, wrapping hair around your fingers and then, clipping it into your head if you don't have any rollers. So, what we're going to do, we've already had some finger waves in the front here. Look at that. They're going to set nicely because we're doing a wet set, you see. Think about how you want your hair to sit. Because if you wanted just to sit all poofy, you can just do anything random, really, can't you? No, but it's always good to have a plan. So we're going to start right at the bottom of where the finger waves have ended. And we're going to put in some pin curls. So what we do, get some lovely Poisonapplehair setting spray. And then spray that hair down, this will hold it very nice and tightly. You're going to comb the hair out, because what you need to realize is that we're going to be performing a swoop here. So it's going to be going around and then it's going to tuck under, so you're creating a sculpture. So let me show you. Comb that up. Now, we don't want to twist the hair, not like that, otherwise you'll end up with twisty, fluffy curls. You want the hair to be nice and smooth, ribbon smooth, like that. And pull it out, and wrap it, like this. How nice is that? Very beautiful. Get a little clip, pop that in there like that. So we're going to be making our way around. And now let's start off with the next one. Hold that nice and straight. There we go. But pull it out at this angle here because we always want to get that swoop happening, don't we? Yeah, so it's curling around your face to attract all the handsome young men. There we go. Curl that up nicely. Like that. Doesn't look that fantastic right now, but, when it is combed out, we'll see how the whole thing turns out. 1, 2 pin curls on the front, and then we want another one, just to finish it off. Pull that around like this, and use your fingers, tuck all of the loose ends under like that. Now 3 pin curls here. Now, we're going to do all the rest of the pin curls, some going this way, and then the other ones going the other way, and then so forth, all around the rest of it, to get right down to the back. As you work your way around, like this, round the back, and then curl them towards the front, your foreskin of the forehead. Just comb that forward like that and then wrap it around your fingers. Oh! Goodness me! But she still looks very good, doesn't she? You get a little clip and clip that into place like that. Now we go around the other way. I know, because we want a smoothie version. Over the back and forward like this. When you're going back in the opposite direction, don't pull all of the hair this way, because otherwise it won't work out. You need to pull the other way. There we go, so we go back this way, like that, and then you make that C-section like this. You make sure you don't twist the hair. Just comb that up nicely. Nice and around like that. Can you see how you can get that C shape? You know, you can imagine this one's going this way, that one's going that way, and you can get like a wave. Nice, and out like that. Round your fingers, like this, and then chuck it up. Like a nice little rabbit in a burrow. There we go, because those rabbits are going that way, and these rabbits are going this way, and then the fox won't know which way to catch them. Now, as we're working our way around this way, this is where the pin curls meet up to the finger wave. And be sure to get your fingers and make it a ribbon smooth. Ribbon of hair. See, like that. Look at that. Nice and round. In the opposite direction. A little clip like that. See? Isn't that perfect? Look at that! This is our full head of pin curls. So you've got some going this way, that way, the other way, and then we've got our finger waves in the front. Now, if you'd like to see how this set turns out, please do subscribe to my Telegram. My name is Bernard Dashington Snide, and an apple a day is the perfect hairspray.